Class 12, now we have to take next topic, binary operation. Okay, so as the word itself is making clear, binary. Binary includes two things, okay, between the two. Okay, so now the definition given to you out here. A binary operation, this is just a notation. By this asterisk sign we denote, it can be anything like addition, multiplication, subtraction. अगर कोई और set पे depend करता है, which thing we are talking about. Okay, union, intersection, all these are binary operation between two elements. Okay, so this can be anything. This can be plus, this can be into, whatever. So if this is any operation which will be defined, it will actually be a function. क्या कह रहा है? Binary operation on a set A is a function from A cross A to A. Okay, so A cross A will be its domain, means there will be two entries belonging of set A, I can say. उनके बीच में जब आप कोई ऑपरेशन लगाओगे तो जो एंड आंसर आएगा उसका, द इमेज आएगी, दैट वुड ऑल्सो बिलोंग टू ए. So a binary operation on one particular set is a function from A cross A to A. Alright, and we denote it by, this is one way of writing it, that you put that operation right in front and put the entries जिनके बीच में operation लग रहा है in the bracket, or you write it as first entry this operation with this. Okay, so that's the way to denote a binary operation. Okay, so this is kind of एक हम closure property बोलते थे, remember? Okay, so वो आप इसको समझ लो एक तरह से कि आपका जो entries हैं वो भी ये है, जैसे from R cross R to R means एक real number होगा, A will be a real number, B will be a real number, and then जब आप उसमें operation लगा रहे हो, यहाँ पे कौन सा operation लगा रहे हैं हम? Plus. So A plus B would also give you A plus B will also be a real number. Okay, then we would say yes, this is a binary operation. Okay, now next, all these things you have studied, children. It's only that अब हम उसको systematically through proper definitions उनको express कर रहे हैं. Okay, and then composition table I'll explain you later when it comes to questions. You can read through it whatever you understand, and rest when I will do unsolved questions for you, I'll explain you once again. Okay, then next, just for the time being, I want you to go through the definition. See, next is your commutative. You know, you're familiar with that word. Okay, so a binary operation on set X is said to be commutative if A star B is same as B star A. You know what commutative means. Okay, आपने simple addition, multiplication में commutative nature, commutative law पढ़ा है. So same thing it is out here. Okay, so for every A and B belonging to X. Then likewise, next we know is our associativity. Given here, binary operation from A cross A to A is said to be associative if A star B, the answer star with C is same as A star with जो B star C का है. Okay, so we know this law is known as associative law. Okay, then next, these also you are familiar with, identity and inverse. Okay, but once revision here. So given a binary operation A from A cross A to A, and then if there is some element E, वो उन्होंने उसको E for identity, that's the general notation that we use for identity element, that is E. Okay, so E belonging will also belong to this very set A if it exists word आया है यहाँ पे. So it is not necessary that every time, everywhere you will have identity element. Identity element हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है किसी operation का. Okay, this is called the identity for the operation if A star E gives you A and E star A also gives you A. तो ये सब आप करते आ रहे हो बेटा. Alright, so that is what identity word इसको clear कर रहा है कि identity means कि you get back that thing. So A star E is giving you A, and even E star A should give you A. Then this element E, this special element, is said to be identity element. Alright, then one more last, that is your inverse. Okay, now inverse का भी क्या कह रहा है वो कि given a binary operation from A cross A to A with identity element E, तो उसी बाइनरी ऑपरेशन जिसका आइडेंटिटी होगा का इनवर्स की बात आप कर सकते हो. वाई? क्योंकि उसका डेफिनेशन ही ऐसा है कि व्हेन ई इज द आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट फॉर अ सर्टेन ऑपरेशन इन अ बाइनरी ऑपरेशन, देन द एलिमेंट ए बिलोंगिंग टू ए इज सेड टू बी इन्वर्टेबल with respect to this operation if there exists an element B in A such that A star B will give you E and B star A will also give you E. सो इनवर्स वो एलिमेंट होता है जिससे हमें आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट मिल जाता है ऑपरेशन लगाने पे. जैसे हमारी एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या होती है, 0, तो उसका इनवर्स क्या होता है, नेगेटिव ऑफ द नंबर, क्योंकि उससे हमें 0 मिल जाता है. ओके, सो ऑल दीज बेसिक थिंग्स यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड चिल्ड्रन. ओके, so just go through all these definitions and the examples out here, children, okay, before I start off with the exercise. So I just want you to give it a good reading, sub obvious and general known facts hai, but just for revision, and then only then you will understand what I do in the unsolved exercise for you all. Okay, so please read through this for today.